Hi, I'm Dr. Bala. Welcome again to Kaveri Spine Updates. Today we're going to talk about injuries to the spine. Well, you must be wondering if it is road accidents or fall from heights, but actually I'm going to talk about the daily injuries that happen to our spine in our lifestyle. For this, you need to know the causes of back pain. Well, it is very complex, and I don't want to bore with you about information about what causes back pain. But injuries happen at every micro level in the disc, in the bones, the joints, the ligaments, the muscle, the end plates of the vertebra, and other places within the spine. So if you look at statistics, it is the second most commonest symptom for which people present to a doctor. It is the third most commonest cause for surgery worldwide, and the fifth most commonest cause of hospitalization, which means it's a very serious problem. So sickness from the back pain causes about 40% absenteeism worldwide. And if you look at the cost to healthcare, it causes several billions. 8 out of 10 people do suffer from back pain at some point in their life. And 95% problems happen due to mechanical back pain, which is purely related to our lifestyle and work style. So I'm going to tell you a list of factors that cause risk of back pain. The first thing is heavy lifting. Lifting more than 5 to 7 kgs is not good for your back. And bending and lifting is again more dangerous. Poor posture. So sitting erect, slouching, using your cell phone with your neck to one side is very bad for your back and your neck. When you're twisting and lifting things, it's even more dangerous. Poor physical fitness, emotional stress, smoking, bad habits with activity, all of these cause, and minor injuries happen from physical trauma day to day. And also the increasing problem is driving. So we all spend a lot of time driving. Now I'm going to look at more specific factors in children. So we all carry school bags, and our children carry very heavy school bags. And this causes repetitive trauma to their back over a period of time. And in a Scandinavian study, they showed 51% of children develop back pain by the age of 14 to 16. Women. Well, two important things about women and back pain is one, they carry the handbags. Well, I'm sure it's every man's curiosity to know what the weight of a woman's bag is. Well, it can weigh several kgs sometimes. And that causes a lot of shoulder pain and back pain. The second is high heels. So we tend to wear high heels to elevate our posture, but sometimes it's very bad for your back, and prolonged use of high heels is very dangerous. And tight dresses around your waist can also cause a lot of stress. When we get older, there is also the factor of lifestyle. So we become much slower, our lifestyle is sedentary, and not exposing ourselves to sunlight and lack of calcium and vitamin D adds to osteoporosis and bad posture. Sports. We all engage in some kind of sports activities, and sports injuries also cause back pain. Now I'm going to show you some tips about how to avoid injuring your back. Remember, it is dangerous every time you lift weights, and especially when you lift weights, twist and turn, pull or push, you're causing a lot of pressure on your back. The common question I get asked is, can I lift a baby from the floor if I have back pain? Well, if you're having a lot of back pain, get somebody to give the baby in your hand rather than bending down to lift it. Learn how to sit properly. Don't slouch, sit erect. It's very important to maintain your posture. Those who employ people, which involves lifting weights, do teach your employees how to lift. Manual training is very essential before you start a job. Avoid sitting in awkward positions. Avoid getting into positions where you have to stand for long. Sitting for long and standing for long, both are not good. We now commonly use our cell phone all the time. And when we use your cell phone, you get into a bad posture. So try to avoid this by using either a hands-free or a Bluetooth. Avoid stress. When you're using a computer for long, try to maintain the levels correctly. So all of these things you need to learn to look after your back. I hope this information was useful, because if you don't do this, over a period of time, you're going to cause injury to your back, and your old age is going to be painful. Thank you. Until we see again, goodbye.